Guys, here is one of my favorite tractors on the sale. I cannot listen to this tractor run enough. 52-year-old man had this tractor for many years. He died of a heart attack. He was in the process of restoring it. His daughter had sent me a letter on it. Dual remotes, 540 PTO. It is just as straight as you can get, matched rear rubber. I have never heard a better sounding tractor. No blow-by, no leaks on the engine, no oil around the exhaust, blowing out the exhaust. It's just a nice driving tractor. Only issue I have found is the clutch brake. When you go to put it in gear the first time, she'll grind a little bit. But I'll tell you what, if you want to have the prettiest girl at the dance, this is the one you want to pick up and take home. She is gorgeous. I love listening to her runs. There she is, guys. I'm telling you, if you want a beautiful tractor, won't take much to finish restoring her, guys. Again, I say, the prettiest girl at the dance, and she'll do what she's supposed to do.